So what's up, my beautiful people, and now we are back with another banger, and this time around is about Brianna, the queen of NCAA championship. Now Brianna is like the future of sprinting in Jamaica, together with Alana Red and the Clayton twins. So recently she participated in a 200-meter race, and guess what? Brianna disappointed the whole Jamaican country in that particular 200-meter race. She came second, and Jamaicans are always known to win every competition. Jamaicans always love the first spot, not the second, and this sparked a lot of reaction on social media, and so many Jamaicans were not satisfied with the performance that Brianna Lyson displayed. And also, some sources and some people claim that during the race, Brianna Lyson kind of stumbled when she was running at the end of the day. And I've seen a lot of Jamaican fans, they said they are very much happy that Brianna Lyson did not won that particular race. I'm telling you, they are so happy and jubilating that their athlete Brianna Lyson did not won that particular 200-meter race. And the reason is because they said that for it is better to stay healthy than to get injured while trying to win a race that does not really matter. That race is not like a major championship. It is not like a final race. It is just a prelims, and it is an indoor 200-meter prelims race. And even her competitors on the race, they are not really that prominent people. They are just minor sprinters that were grouped to race against Brianna Lyson on that particular race. So a lot of Jamaicans were like, wait, we are even happy that she didn't have any injury and she's healthy. We are happy that she just kind of stumbled during the race, stuff like that. Like it's crazy, and I feel like they are right because it is better to stay healthy than to get injured. So you see, I feel like these Jamaican fans, they know what they want for their athlete, and sometimes they are 100% right when they speak out. Now let's look at the record. Brianna Lyson record in both 100 and 200 meters. Now in the 100 meters, she has a time of 10.91 seconds, and while in the 200 meter, Brianna Lyson has a personal best time of 22.31 seconds. So I think she's good in the 200 meters. I think she's very good. She just needs some time to develop and grow. I believe she's still growing, right? But let me hear your opinion, guys.